In this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on Gmail. The first thing you want to do is you want to open Gmail and log into your account. Now, let's go ahead and compose a new email by pressing on this button that says compose. We're now going to go ahead and select a recipient. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and add an attachment. So whenever I try to send something that is larger than 25 megabytes, this pop-up will appear. It will say large files must be shared with Google Drive. So go ahead and press on OK, I got it. Every single Google account will come with a free Google Drive that does have some storage, and essentially it is going to upload your file to Google Drive, and then it is going to put a link inside of your Gmail. So that means your recipient only needs to press on that link in order to access your big file. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and press on send. And the recipient will get an email address that looks like this, and all they need to do is press on the attachment like so, and then it is going to open up Google Drive, and you don't need to spend an absurd amount of space or anything like that. This will be uploaded on Google Drive. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.